Hello and welcome to our Idiom in a Minute course. This is Hanaa Said. Let's dive in. What does she do now? She takes something? Yeah. What about this one? He leaves. So, our idiom today is take it or leave it. What does it mean? Take this one or none. There are no other choices. For instance, the only color left is pink. Take it or leave it. Quiz time. Complete the sentence. This is my final offer. You can. Space. Your answer is brilliant. Take it or leave it. Another example. He offered me 10% less than I was earning before and told me I could. Space. Your answer is splendid. Take it or leave it. So let's recap. Take it or leave it means there are no other choices. Well done.